Hello, kindergartners. Today we're going to read this book together called Community Helpers Then and Now. This is a nonfiction book, so this is going to teach us about how community helpers have changed and how their jobs have changed from a long time ago to the types of things that they do now. Some of the community helpers that we'll learn about today are construction workers, school helpers, food and farm workers, medical helpers, first responders, firefighters, and police officers. A community is a place where many people live and work together and share buildings, services, and laws. Community helpers are people who make communities cleaner, safer, and better. Name some community helpers that you see right here. Very good. Community helpers long ago. In the past, there were not as many kinds of community helpers as there are today. Some helpers, such as store owners, supplied people with important things they needed. Some drove wagons. Community helpers, called trades workers, were very important because they made things that people needed. This is a metal worker making pots, pans, cups, and candle holders. This is a woman who owned a clothing store in a city, and she made the clothes that she sold. On this page, we'll learn about construction workers. Construction workers are trades workers who build homes, offices, schools, hospitals, and many other buildings. They also build roads and bridges. They use many kinds of tools and machines like power drills, cranes, bulldozers, and cement trucks. Long ago, there were very few machines, so builders used simple tools such as hammers, saws, and axes. It took a long time to build a building. After machines were invented, tall buildings could be built. So our tools have changed over time. School helpers. Most of the people who work at your school are teachers, but some school workers help you in other ways. The principal is the head of the school. The librarian shows you how to find the books you need. So look at how schools, this is how schools look today, and look how they used to look a long time ago. Long ago, many schools had only one room and one teacher. So think about that, friends. Now we have lots of rooms and we have lots of teachers. Not only did the teachers plan lessons and teach their students, they also had to keep the school clean. Students helped to sweep the floor, wash the board, and bring in water from the well. This page is about food and farm workers. So now most of us do not have a large farm at our home. We go to the grocery store and get the food that we need. But long time ago, many people farmed. Most people got their food from gardens that they planted next to their homes. People had their own chickens, pigs, horses, and cows. This page is about medical helpers. Medical helpers are nurses, dentists, and many other kinds of doctors who treat different body parts, such as eyes and teeth. A long time ago, the same doctor treated your illnesses. They also looked after your teeth and your eyes. So there was one doctor that did many different jobs. Now we have different kinds of medical helpers that help us. And notice this doctor is actually in the home of someone who is not feeling well. So doctors would pay home visits rather than us going to the hospital or the doctor when we need help. Something else that's interesting is that a long time ago, doctors often gave people sicknesses and diseases because they did not wash their hands or the instruments and tools that they used. So they actually would cause people to get sick because they didn't wash their hands or their tools. This page is about first responders. So when we have an emergency, what number do we call, friends? That's right, 911. When we call 911, we have an emergency, right? It's a dangerous situation. And our first responders, the people who will come, are police officers, ambulance, paramedics, and firefighters. A long time ago, there were no telephones or emergency numbers. There was no 911. And there were no first responders. When there was an emergency, the people that lived around you would help. The first ambulances, this is a picture of one of the first ambulances, and they were pulled by a horse. This page is all about firefighters. Fires can start very quickly. Firefighters help to fight fires and rescue people and animals. They put out fires that start in buildings. They also fight forest and bush fires. Firefighters today drive big trucks and use water from fire hydrants. This is a fire hydrant. And they hook up their hose and there's water in there, and the water goes through the hose to put out the fire. A long time ago, people used candles in their homes for light and also for their fireplaces, for cooking, and for heating their homes. Open flames would cause an accidental fire. In those days, a long time ago, there were no fire trucks or firefighters, so buckets of water were passed along lines of people to put out fires. After cars were invented, firefighters drove fire trucks with pumps, which sprayed water on the fire. So again, if there was a fire a long time ago, the people in your community would help you. See this picture? They're passing buckets of water along. The people in your community would help you to put out your fire. Police officers. Police officers protect people in towns and cities. They patrol or drive regularly through neighborhoods as well as along the highways to watch for people who are breaking the law. They also help people who need help. A long time ago, some criminals were locked up in jail wagons like this.